Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to code online with multiple people and friends directly inside your VS Code. You can share an online session. It's very easy. For this, you just need to install the extension, which is very simple. Just type here live share. And once you do this, you will see this extension comes live share. These extensions allow you to actually collaborate with other developers online in VS Code to work online on a project. And you just need to first of all enable this extension, install it. So once you install it, you will see this option appearing at the terminal of the status bar of your VS Code live share. So simply click this option, and once you click this, it will start a session, collaboration of session. So in the invitation link, copy to clipboard, send it to anyone you trust. So now you just need to paste or send this invitation link to your friends. So once they open the browser, they will enter into this VS Code environment through their web browser, or they can even use VS Code as well. So they can say continue as anonymous, or they can sign in with your GitHub account as well. So you can provide any name. Let's suppose I say here, enter the name, and now they are joining their collaboration session. So in this easy way, multiple people can join inside the session in VS Code with live coding, live sharing sessions. So you can set this to make read only, or they can also make changes as well. So you can set all these options. So you will see this notification coming. He requested you to join the collaboration session. Either you can reject or accept. You can say accept. So once you click accept, the collaboration is hosted, shared, a live share terminal, enter to type. So now if you see, the collaboration has been successfully started. So this is your chat window. So now two users are there. You will see that has started the live session. You can enter a message. That message will be received right here. You can see this will be the username, which will be coming right here. So this is, you can chat with each other while developing some kind of coding here. You can see that this is your chatting functionality. You can exchange messages. So in this easy way, with this help of this extension, you can actually start a remote sharing session, which involves multiple people and basically coding it on a special project. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.